Hey, what's going on, everybody? Back again with another video. It's your boy Shad. Yesterday I hit you guys with the first look of the Yeezy 380. Sorry about the picture quality. I got a brand new camera that I'm trying out here, so messing with some of the settings on there. It came out a little bit bright, but I might do another video review of the shoe, go a little bit more in depth. Definitely excited. So what you just saw right now is another shoe I got in the mail recently. And this was a Nike by You Air Force One with another street artist. I see Nike's doing a lot of collaborations lately with a lot of street artists. This is Karabo Poppy. Forgive me if I mispronounce. I like this particular Nike by You customization. Quality of the shoe is pristine. Squeeze that toe box. It looks and feels very, very plush. And you know, some other hits on the shoe, pretty cool details. So I'll start off with the upper of the shoe. You've got this mosaic print going across the heel to the back with some stitching here. Then you've got this extended heel tab, which is higher than the normal Air Force One, which doesn't look too bad. Kind of like shifts the shoe, makes it look like one of the utility boots that come out from Nike. I've got the stitching in the green in Karabo Poppy. See if you guys can peep that. Right in there. And then on the tongue, which is pretty cool, is you've got this leather. First of all, it's leather, super soft, super plush. And then you've got this leather patch here that says Karabo Poppy, and then the Nike swoosh. Really dope touch. And then on the shoelace itself, it also says Karabo Poppy on one side, and then on the other is the Nike swoosh. So again, dope touches on that. I went with this color blocking in the black midsole with the red upper, and then the red shoelaces, of course. And then I went with this strip across the heel in gold. So something different, not too fally, but you know, cool, cause I like the contrast in colors. And then on the right shoe, saying everything's the same with the exception of the doubre. It's actually a comb, and that's to represent posters like for hair salons and barbershops in South Africa. That was what that was meant to do, to represent. So I like how these artists are representing their culture, how they're representing where they're from, and Nike is giving them the ability to display their artwork in such fashion. Post a comment below. Let me know what you guys think of these shoes. I don't know how long the Nike by You customization was available for, but I got it the day they dropped, and then I know it's not available anymore. So it had to have been maybe a couple of days, a week or so. But let me know what you guys think of these, and what's your favorite collaboration so far? Again, I know there's been a lot of releases. I've got a few of them. Like I said, I might do a video, I might not. We'll see what's happening. But stay tuned. Thank you guys for checking me out. Until the next time, y'all be easy. Peace.